So today we're going to talk about routines using Claude Code. So basically, what is a routine? Well, it's a new feature that they added. If you use the desktop version, you can go here to code and you have to pick routines right here. Routines basically helps Claude Code to run tasks or skills based on a certain trigger. If until now you used to work back before routines were introduced, you used to ask Claude to repeat certain skill or prompt on XYZ times, but that thing would last only for a short term and eventually it would break or be forgotten or stopped if you would close the terminal. But not anymore, not since Claude added the routines. So how routines work usually? Well, for a routine to operate, it first needs a trigger, and then it needs a prompt or a skill that will be activated upon this trigger. Most of the times the trigger is a time trigger. So start and run this skill or prompt every Monday at 2, daily after 3 p.m., or pair trigger or a webhook. Let's go briefly in the structure of a routine. So I'm going to take a pre-built routine by Claude Code. It's called the briefing. It's supposed to summarize the calendars, emails, and messages. Let's see how it's built. So it's really important to know that each routine has a name, instructions, like what's supposed to happen, what is the prompt or the skill activator, what's the skill supposed to do. You can change the model. You can use Opus 4.7 if it's something more complex and thorough, or smaller models like Sonnet if you want just too quick stuff. You can even select a repository. Really important in this routine thing is the trigger. Basically, all our triggers, most of the triggers are timely, like run the skill or the command or the instructions every day at 2 p.m. or every other day or only on Wednesdays. And we can also add other triggers such as GitHub events or APIs. Let's say something happened in GitHub and it has a following instruction that needs to come out of and activate our Claude. This is it. Or for example, we got an API call to run the instruction after we finished some job earlier. And it also runs the routine. And last but not least, each routine can be connected with Claude's integrations of connectors, which can be a real overkill. And this is what really makes Claude be so amazing, because it can just connect to all your favorite systems and do actions to them without you actually going and doing it hand by hand. Now I'm going to walk you through about how to create your own new routine from scratch if you don't want to use the ones from Claude, because basically you can do whatever you want with routines. So I'm just going to press new routine over here, and I'm going to pick local because this routine is going to happen on my computer. We're going to give it a name. So I'm going to give a routine. I showed you how I create a skill that creates Facebook posts. Let's say I have a skill that creates also LinkedIn posts, and I want 3 times a week to create the LinkedIn post. So I'm going to call it LinkedIn post routine, so I can later get back to it and know what this routine does. And the description is creates LinkedIn posts for my brand 3 times a week. Now, I like to be a little bit more descriptive. So once I look at my routines, and the more they go and they become more complex, I know still which routine does what. I like to use the instructions to invoke skills. Now, I'm not going to write the skill all over again and write this full skill in these instructions. No, I'm just going to say invoke a LinkedIn post skill and deliver it to Slack. Okay. And I'm going to choose my model. It's going to be Opus. I want it to be really smart. Permissions is going to be bypass permissions, because if we don't do bypass permissions, it's going to ask us every 5 minutes if we can do this and that. And it kind of beats the purpose of automating things and making Claude work for us. We don't want to be there with Claude and just click, click, click. I agree, I agree, I agree. Okay. In the folder, I'm going to select, just say downloads. Don't do downloads if you're working serious, just for demonstrations. And I'm going to tell it invoke LinkedIn skill and deliver it to Slack. Okay. Now, all I need to do is just schedule it. I want to schedule it for weekly, which is every, let's say, Wednesday at 9 a.m. Okay. And all I have to do is press create. But I just want to make sure that you guys know that my skill already has the connections inside of it. Okay. LinkedIn post skill connects the skill to Slack eventually. Okay. So basically, this is all that we need to do, and we're done. We just need to press create, and there we go. can test run it for right now. So this is basically it. On the next video, I'm going to make another video about connectors and MCP servers to show you how you can really unlock Claude's potential, and see you guys in the next time.